Here with the basics of HTML. Basically, as you can see, this is our paragraph. Here's what we're going to be displayed with the browser. This is our paragraph under the paragraph tag. We're going to go into a few elements such as strong, italicized, underline, things like that that you can use within your HTML to kind of add structure to your text. So here's in our body tag, we're going to I already have this copy and pasted. So here you can see the first one we'll talk about here is a break tag. Break is basically going to break these two sentences up within the paragraph. So I'm just going to pull the code over here. As you can see here, this is the first one we're looking at. Basically, it has pulled, this is our paragraph with the break tag. This is our second sentence. This is our second sentence. So anytime you see this break tag, and this is not an opening closing HTML tag, it just needs one closing tag, you will see that the sentence breaks apart. That's basically the easiest way in HTML to break sentences. Otherwise, if you remove this, things are just going to continue on one line. So it's a really powerful, you're obviously going to be using it a lot when you work with HTML because the return does not matter. Looking here, B is basically for bold. A lot of web developers will use strong, which is basically the same thing as bold, but it also tells the browser that that's an important bolded text. Italicized, you can see here, basically I. Another way to do this is EM with a little more importance, such as strong as B. Inserted, you can see here, this is our paragraph, and then deleted, you can see it has the text coming through on that side. So yeah, guys, this is a few of the features that are used within HTML as far as how to manage and update content. So going from there, let's talk about the header tags. So basically there's H1 through H6. H1 is going to tell the browser this is the most important text in the web page. So basically what you'll see over here is it's going to be a larger text, and it's also telling the browser and search engines that this is a more important text. The other way to do this, and I'll just copy paste to save some time, is to do an H2 tag. H2 and H2, and what you'll see over here is that again, it still has a little thicker than a paragraph, but nonetheless, it is smaller than the H1 tag. And guys, this goes all the way up to H6, so I don't know if I'll do all these, but as you want to see here, H3, this is pulling H4, H5, and H6. So what you'll see here displaying is that as it goes down, it gets less important. Those are H tags, guys. You're going to be using those a lot. They're definitely an SEO practice as well that you'll want to be implementing in your website. The last thing I'm going to do here, and actually I'll keep this code as long as we're here, is we're going to go over comments in HTML. Comments are a great way to tell next web developers what you're doing in the code. So basically all that's needed is a exclamation like that, and as you see, the code editor changed the text to show that it's being commented out at this stage. So basically this is our comment. When I close this, it is going to bring back our code. Now what you'll see here is that this text here will not display in our browser, so even going back, it's not there. But if we take off this, it's going to again start to run in our browser. So guys, this is a great way to tell other web developers what it is that is going on with the code. You're going to be using this, you're going to be coming across it quite a bit. So just stay familiar and know this is our comments. Alright guys, that's a good one. Next one will be going into more HTML basics, so stick around.